Ciao a tutti! Today we're going to be making TRENETTE al pesto from the movie Luca. Andiamo! We'll need some olive oil, pine nuts, a potato, a mortar, salt, linguine, basil, garlic, green beans, pecorino, and parmigiano. Add the basil and the garlic and mash until it's a paste.
2,000 years later.
Now add the pine nuts, salt, olive oil, just a little, and then a little more, and the cheese. If you don't have a mortar, just use a food processor, but make sure not to overmix because the heat from the food processor can really mess up this pesto. Next, let's chop the potatoes. And the green beans. Once you're done chopping, add the veggies and the linguine into a boiling pot of hot water. Make sure the pot is bigger than what I used. Now we're gonna add everything to a really big bowl. Mine could have been bigger. And we're going to add the pesto on top while it's still hot. And we're gonna mix everything up together. Make sure to save some of that pasta water to mix in. It gives it an extra creaminess to the sauce. And it's done. Incredibly simple recipe. Now for the taste test. Buon appetito! And if you like seeing more videos like this, remember to like and subscribe.